Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here, and man, I tell you something. Sometimes I look at the collection of jewelry that we have through the various companies that I represent, and sometimes I don't know which one to share or which ones to share. But this is really an exquisite piece, and I call it a Mother's Day signature piece. Mother's Day is just around the corner, and this is a wonderful 925 sterling silver pendant. Okay, and so I want to share this with you briefly, and you take a look at how beautiful this piece actually is. Okay, so we'll take a few moments to look at it. Now, this pendant is 2¼ inches. That's the size of it, 2¼ inches. Okay, and again, it's at 925 sterling silver. And we'll talk about the stones here in just a minute, okay, or a second. All right. Okay, now before I move forward, I don't want to forget to mention that I'm going to have the direct link for you on my programs page. In other words, you don't have to sign into my website and get my newsletter. I wish you would, but you don't have to, okay? If you like this piece, then I'm going to have a direct link for you in my on my programs page. Okay, so so you can go directly there, and you can press the link, click the link, whatever we want to call it, and it's going to take you directly to this website where you can look at all of the amazing jewelry that we have with this company. And they just have some phenomenal pieces. Okay, now again, this piece is 925 sterling silver. Now the gemstones, oh man, I think they're beautiful, and they're aquamarine and genuine Tanzanite. Okay, the total weight of this pendant is 10.7 grams. All right, and the main gemstone head size is 16 by 11 millimeters. All right, this is a signature piece. It's unique, it's handcrafted. Okay, and you see the actual item pictured here. And what I love about what this company does is that they don't add any cadmium or nickel in their silver. Okay, so this piece sells for $183, but we have all kinds of prices. Okay, there's not a chain, but we have chains that you can purchase on the website. The piece is something I'm sure Mom would really find it to be a grand Mother's Day gift. Okay, so again, I'm going to leave the link to this company, okay, in the description area of, well, let me back up. I'm going too fast. Let me back up. I'm going to leave my program page link, and you're going to go there and just click on the link to this website. It's going to be the second link there. Okay, and well, once you go there, you'll see, and you don't have to sign any forms or sign up for my website or sign up for my newsletter or any of that stuff that I love, because I think you'll benefit greatly by signing up with me on my website. But you don't have to do it to go here and check out these jewelry pieces. Okay, I think I said everything that I wanted to say. Hopefully I didn't make it too complicated for you. But there you have it. Isn't that just gorgeous? We'll take another couple looks at it, and then we're going to close out today. Okay. Okay, here's a very close-up view of part of this piece. Isn't it absolutely just gorgeous? Okay, we'll get another look. All right, here's another close-up look. I'm just loving this for Mother's Day. Just think, my goodness. Okay, so again, in closing, I know I might be sounding redundant here, but nonetheless, grab the link for my programs page. You can access the direct link to this company and check out these pendants, or check out the bracelets, or check out the rings, or check out anything you want to check out there. Great gift for Mother's Day. I'm Terry Brown, and I'm wishing you a tremendously blessed, amazing day today. Bye-bye now.